Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hey everybody, my name is Nomgcobo Stemele. I'm the founder of Gcogcodeliscious. Gcogcodeliscious was started because basically I lost my job, but I've always been passionate about food and baking, so the next step for me was to try and make an income out of something that I really love doing. So Gcogcodelicious, we cook on a daily basis. We bake every morning as well. Now I sell muffins in the morning from 5:30 up until 8:30 at Tanzania Highway by the taxi rank. And I also, after that, in the afternoon, I do your daily meals. And now it can be kotas, it can be fish, it can be your hot meals. I'm your girl. Now you can find me on WhatsApp 071-067-5011, or you can get me on my Facebook. My handle is Gcogcobo Alunamdavoyi. That's where you can get your meals or your cake fixes. Hi, my name is Gcogcobo and I am a township entrepreneur.